I don't know moody mongo. Why are you so talking?
Is it on recording?
Of course. So Nasa, you. We are going to do just nails, just common nails. And we are rushing the car to be at the place at once. I have a left. Huh? You don't know driving?
I'm not driving.
You know driving?
Yeah.
Since when? For left. You don't know for left.
I know for left.
And can you have crank people bad for left? Okay, you go. Eh? And I say. So you didn't answer me, just as someone make an name.
No, I've answered.
What did you say?
I said I know driving.
You know driving, so you should rush the car.
No, I'm not rushing the car. I'm just giving it a free roll.
A free roll. All the terms and enemy casa. All the terms and enemy casa. Where you master than me? You master times than me?
No.
Me I terms and I pay. I terms and I get money to eat. That's me what terms. Me can't terms. Me the media.
That's it.
You want to tell me?
Do.
That's it. You are lucky that your mother is my mother. You are very much lucky that your mother is my mother too. Me Jane wants me with your baby pacho. And tell you I will be strong with so. If not, we take right. Do you know right?
Yeah, I know right.
Take right.
Nifa.
Huh?
Nifa.
Nifa means right.
Right.
Okay, take right. Nifa means right. Benkum means what?
Left.
Oh, the bravo. Bravo, bravo, son, left, no. Oh, say, oh, no, Cocaso. Go come forward, cry, and go back forward. Benkum means forward. Don't speak tree to me again. Say, Mom, name teachers. I'm using you to polish my English. I can't come publish. You don't know slow down. You know slow down. We take left. But you know where we are going.
I know where we are.
We are going to Spa 5. Okay? We are going to Spa 5. Today we won't have a spa. I won't have a spa. Like a me spa. But send me come massage. But now I want to go and treat my nails well. I'm more than knife. To go treat nails, no come cry. That's all. We are almost there.
Yeah.
I'm going to the spa opposite KB Declare School at East Legon, around the American House. So that's it over there. Almost there. If you know KB Declare, and a KB Declare. School no KB Declare and a KB Declare. KB Declare oh boy didn't come. Ah, you know baby. K Billy Claire. Ah, that's Abraham. K Billy Declare. Hey, David, you know
K Billy.
K Billy Claire. Hey, you mean that? Man, KB Declare. Okay, KB Claire. K Billy Declare.
K Billy Clay.
K Billy Claire. What's your board? No, Suntra. You didn't get confused. Oh, okay, all right. And yeah, you are. Okay, so here is Spa 520. Business hours, Monday to Saturday, from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Telephone numbers. You got me? Yeah, thank you very much. I'm here. Any normal. Jelly. That's a jelly pedi.
Yes,
Jelly pedicure.
yes,
Spa 520. Nti your mummy and Sabanebe mummy. A chair, Banana mummy and Sama. But I'll take him chances to go to now for wine. Wait. Okay, Markle and you was your husband's color.
Soaky jelly no.
Okay.
They will never be see jelly before some.
Okay. Do you know?
But why?
Hey, Nana, come in that show.
Yes, you say I have a young guy.
Exploring. I'm exploring. Spa 520. Opposite K. Billy Clare School, East Legon. And one, I may pump me. You need to show yourself some love. Yeah. 20, Spa 520. And then the pedicure, no. Yeah, soaking me nine. No, it's actually gel pedicure. Gel pedicure. Come and feel it. Gel pedicure. See, the water is gelling. Wow. So that's. That's a baby a bit tighter on none home. It's gel, all gel. Wow, it's getting harder. Edding. Meanwhile, my son, me yee powder now also. So this is how they soaked my hand for me. So that maybe ye old powder and then they can have a fresh one. Wow. Nti
That's right.
I want to say a big thank you to Spa 520 at East Legon, to the right opposite K. Billy Clare School, just opposite top. Wow. Mention my name, said, and now Mcbrown said, you do nails then check. It was a nimba. If you ever bought me, I'm on at least 5%. 10% for everything. Brand meow. Brand nails. Yeah, on a bad way. Like massage. Put your body to sleep. You got it. Love yourself. And no, I love to come around 4, 5. After that, then you go and sleep. Do you get me? By your nails. Thank you very much. Now, thank you. Then check. Once I won't think, Papa, I would then check. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.